We've had a request for some garbage, and not the kind that I usually post, but the band featuring Shirley Manson and Butch Vig from Madison, Wisconsin. And one of their hits is a reminder here on a rainy, gloomy day in Chicago of the importance for us to be mindful of our mental and emotional well-being, especially during this crisis, and the tools and resources that are available to us, like hopefortheday.com here in Chicago. That's hopefortheday.com. I'm only happy when it rains. I'm only happy when it's complicated. And though I know you can't appreciate it, I'm only happy when it rains. I only like it when the news is bad. Why does it feel so good to feel so sad? I'm only happy when it rains. Pour your misery down. Pour your misery down on me. Pour your misery down. Pour your misery down on me. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there.